Here's a quick tip for you. Welcome back. What do you do with that extra baking pan or that baking pan you had from the turkey from Thanksgiving? Well, it's about to snow here, so we don't have to get some diesel for the tractor. This works for gas cans or pretty much paint cans, oil cans, something like that. Just going to grab it. Still going to put some cardboard out just in case, but I'm going to put the diesel can right into the tin. This way, if anything's wet on the bottom for when it gets filled or anything happens to spill out the spout, it's all covered. Now, obviously, if anything spills out, dispose of it properly. Don't just dump it on the ground. But this will save your carpet from getting all smelling from gas and diesel and things like that. Probably something you're going to throw anyway. Clean it out after using it for the turkey or your vegetables or anything like that. Keep it in the garage, so when you take your used oil back to the recycler, you go get gas, go get diesel like this, or anything like that, liquid that can spill. Paint cans from Home Depot that maybe you're taking back that have already been opened. Put them in the pan like this. This way they're safe. If they spill, you can spill quite a bit before it's going to cause a problem. That wetness there isn't from the gas can, from the diesel can. It's actually from the rain you can sort of hear, and the rain and sleet from before. Anyway, hope this helps you out. Be sure to check out fixitwithdad.com for great tips and videos like this. Thanks for watching.